Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up TikTok shop. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, we need to go and open our browser. In that case I'm going to use Google Chrome, and then we go search for shop.tiktok.com, and from here we have this website. And so easily what we're going to do, we click on get started over here. And now from this section, which is TikTok, you're going to choose seller, creator, partner, or affiliate. I would choose seller. And now I go down a little bit and I choose learn more. And now from here we have welcome to TikTok shop. And so we have three regions: Asia, Europe, and North America. And so in my case over here, I would go to North America seller and I click on it, and I would choose United States seller and I click on enter. And so here we have two options between email or phone number. So you have both options, you can choose between them. I would go with email address. And here you can create a new account, or you can log in with an existing account before, or you can sign up a new account if you don't have an account already. And so for here, you can choose also between phone number or an email address. And so whenever we set up our account and put our username and password, we'll be directed here to this page, which is business type. And so we have between individual, corporation, partnership. You can choose any of these and then click on next. And here, lastly, you need to verify your identity. And so you have a US passport or a driver's license. You can choose between any of these. And whenever you upload the picture and click on next, the verification process will be go further with other department of the TikTok, and then you receive an email for the approval. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.